look guys, I have a three bikinis here. Ang gaganda niya guys. Ayan, I'm going to fit this now. So let's go guys. Ayun, ipipit ko na siya guys. I really love it. Pack na pack to siya. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ayan, ang lakas mo kaganda guys. Ayan, oh, I really love it. Ayan, talaga namang pack na pack yung ating ano guys. This video guys, flexing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan, yung aking fashion for today. Ayan po. Ayan. I'm ready for my fashion walk guys. Ayan. My modeling career. I'm ready na. Diba? I really love it guys. Ayan. Pack, 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 pack. O, diba? Ayan, another color na naman, guys.
Oh no!
This one, guys, the red color. I really love it. Ayan, guys.
Wow!
Pack na pack yan siya, guys.
Wow!
Ayan. Because I really love modeling.
Wow!
This one guys, the red color, I really love it. Ayan guys. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. My fashion for today. Ayan, ready na ako guys sa aking pagrampa. Ayan. Because I really love modeling. Pack, 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 pack. O, diba guys? Ang ganda ng ating color red. Ayan, o, diba? Look guys, flexing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it guys. Ayan, pack na pack yan. I really love it. And siya guys. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan, the green color guys. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. Look guys, the gray color. I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating pangatlong color ng ating bikini. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. I really love it. O, diba? Ayan siya guys. Lang pa. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ating ano guys. Bikini. I really love it. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Pack na pack yan. O, diba? Ayan guys. Ayan. So, that's it for today guys. Ayan yung ating nirarampa ngayon. Ayan yung aking tatlong color ng bikinis. O, diba? Pack na pack yan siya guys. I love it.